Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix a blank screen on Honeywell Thermostat. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Honeywell Thermostat here and it just has that blank screen on it, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could actually do. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to maybe check your thermostat if it has any power on it. So in this case, first is you want to ensure that the circuit powering your thermostat here isn't tripped. So if it is, you want to go and go to your circuit breaker and basically flip it to the on position. But typically speaking here, if that's the case, usually it would resolve itself naturally here. And also, another thing they might want to check here is the batteries that you have on your thermostat. So usually this is what it looks like, but at the back, if you actually remove it, this is what you'll be seeing. Now, depending on the model that you have, some Honeywell thermostat allows you to remove these sides here. Again, depending on your model, the batteries may be located on a different location. But yeah, so just ensure that the batteries here still has some power. So if you can replace the batteries immediately here. And while you're doing that, also make sure your thermostat here is clean. So in this case, make sure the contact points here does not have any dirt on it, but I'm assuming it's clean here since it's the back, so naturally it doesn't accumulate dirt. But if it does, make sure it's clean, and also don't bend any of the contact points here. But yeah, also make sure your screen is actually clean here. So if there are going to be some dirt buildup in here, so in this case, if you're going to use it, well, in this case, you need to clean it. So use a damp soft towel here, just maybe wipe it softly here until it's clean. But yeah, now the last thing that you could try doing here is you could actually try resetting your thermostat. So in this case, what you need to do first is you want to get the manual. So again, depending on your thermostat, the steps for resetting it depends on the model. So it varies depending by your model. So in this case, again, check your manual for the specific steps for it. Now, sometimes it just requires you to press a reset button, usually on the front or back on it. But in this case, you just need to follow that steps. So yeah, also once you've done that, you can go and reprogram your thermostat and see if that solves your issue. So if the screen remains blank after trying the steps here, it's best to contact a professional technician here to consider to basically find the issue itself and fix it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.